What happens when Kumba and the Incredible Hulk have a baby? And it's floorless. You get this. Medusa at Six Flags, great adventure. The world's first B&M floorless coaster. And honestly, this thing still holds up better than most brand new B&Ms. Let me tell you why. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Matt Machine, and I travel around riding and reviewing coasters so you know which ones are worth your time and which ones, well, aren't. Today we're talking about Medusa, the floorless legend that kicked off a whole new era for B&M when it opened back in 1999 at Six Flags Great Adventure. So yeah, before Dominator, before Superman Krypton Coaster, before Kraken at SeaWorld Orlando, there was Medusa, the very first B&M floorless coaster ever built. And you know what? Even after all these years, it still rides like a dream. Medusa might not be in my personal top 10, but I honestly have a soft spot for this ride. It feels like B&M took the raw intensity of Kumba from Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, mixed it with the in-your-face power of the Incredible Hulk coaster at Islands of Adventure, and dropped the floor right out from under you. From the moment you drop off that lift hill, you dive straight into a massive vertical loop that just whips you through. The zero-G roll, floaty, snappy, smooth, that's the kind of element you can ride on repeat and never get tired of. But my absolute favorite part, the interlocking corkscrews near the end of the ride. You fly through them with just the right mix of snap and smoothness. Every time I hit those corkscrews, I'm reminded why I love classic B&M designs. And here's the thing, these older B&Ms like Medusa really show up the newer ones. Like, don't get me wrong, Phoenix Rising at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, and Penguin Trek at SeaWorld Orlando are both fun rides, but they don't hit with the same force. Like the pacing, the forces, the sheer energy, Medusa still brings it in a way most modern floorless coasters just don't. Let me know in the comments, do you think old school B&Ms are better than the new ones? And if you've ridden Medusa before, what's your favorite part of the ride? I love reading your thoughts, so drop a comment below. Bottom line, Medusa might not top every coaster list, but it's a ride I'll gladly marathon anytime I'm at Great Adventure. It's smooth, intense, and living proof that sometimes the classics really are better. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you want more coaster reviews, POVs, and theme park content, hit that subscribe button and join the Matt Machine crew. I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you on the next ride.